Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Boya Mini2, the tiny wireless microphone, is back with new upgrades. Let's run some tests. This video is brought to you by Boya. This tiny microphone is only 5 grams. It stays as small as the first generation, but with powerful upgrades. Here's a second microphone. This is a tiny lightning receiver. This is another tiny Type-C receiver, a charging case. Just to compare, these are my AirPods. It's quite small. A USB-C to A cable, a pouch, and a quick start guide. I have a package with both receivers. However, there are other packages. One only with a lightning receiver for older iPhone models or tablets, or only with a Type-C receiver. So the compatibility is universal. Now this package comes in black. There is one more color available. Boya Mini2 is now also available in this very nice lunar silver color. It's very shiny and it looks really good. I really like it. It's a very simple plug-in and play system. This is the sound you are going to get straight out of the box. I did not change anything. I just took the receiver and transmitter out and plugged it into the smartphone. It is already automatically linked together. You will know because the light will be solid blue. Right now I'm using just a very lightweight gimbal with it, and the audio has been improved to 48 kilohertz 24-bit, so it should sound much better. As you can see, I'm recording myself in the car. Very shortly I'm gonna go outdoors and let's do some outdoors tests. This is how it's going to sound in a car. Now, we have absolutely beautiful fall day. It's very warm. I'm actually cooling down the house today. Last 2 days, I had furnace on. That's how big change it is. So let's go. Filming in the woods. I'm quite away from traffic, so the sun should be quite clear. And this is the sound you are going to get out of the box. Again, I have not enabled anything. I didn't change any settings. This is purely just plug in, play sound, filming myself outdoors. Just love the fall. A really nice day. There's a lot more you can do with this in Boya app, but let's stay a little bit with the basics, just with the basic settings. There is only one button on the transmitter, which is the microphone. When you press and hold for 2 seconds, you will turn it off or on. If you press 1 time, you will enable noise reduction and the light will be solid green. Press 1 time again to turn it off. Now the light is solid blue. Alternatively, you can enable the noise reduction on the receiver as well by pressing the button 1 time. Now the light is solid green, so we know it's on. Let's turn it off. If you double press the button on the receiver, you will mute the microphone. And that's it. Simple, simple, simple. As I mentioned earlier, there is a lot more you can do with Boya app, so let's go there. It's called Boya Central. As you can already see, here are some additional settings. Audio bar is first. Output gain is set to 4 by default. If you find the sound is too strong, you can lower it. Or if you find it's not enough, you can bring it up. You just want to keep the sound nicely in green on the soundbar. Noise cancellation is next. This is what I want to talk about and test, as it has been upgraded. There is now a smarter AI noise cancellation up to -40 decibels that is enabled by default. There's also another option, weak noise cancellation. Let's stay with the default settings, strong noise cancellation. Noise cancellation test is up. Right now, I don't have that feature enabled, so I'm pretty sure that you hear the traffic and you hear the city. Here and there are cars driving by. So let me just wait until, oh, they're coming. So I'm gonna get quiet and for you to hear if there are any cars or how much sound you're going to get. So this is the sound outdoors with noise cancellation off. Now, let me enable that feature. We'll see how it's gonna go. Well, the noise cancellation feature has been enabled, so the sound should be much better. There are many cars driving by. Let me just be quiet for a second. I'm not sure how much noise you hear. I'm obviously going to check that out when I get back to the studio. But again, this is the noise cancellation feature when you're going to be recording yourself in a city. Hopefully it's very good and my sound is very clear, very isolated from the background. Let's return to the app and let me show you what else is there. Recording mode lets you record in mono or stereo. Safety track is another upgrade. This works only in mono mode, and once you enable this, it records a backup track at a lower gain. Below, you can mute the microphone. In general settings, you've got EQ. Here, you simply just test all these settings and pick which one sounds the best for your voice. I am just using the original throughout this video. You can also create your own custom setting. The next setting lets you turn on the transmitter indicator light. You can disable the transmitter auto power off. And the last setting is the speaker. This is for playback. You can play the video you just recorded without unplugging the receiver. The three dots take you to a page where you can see the current firmware version. And here you can reset the settings to default. What are your thoughts on this microphone and mainly the sound? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm quite amazed that they offer something like this for such a small price. It's got a lot of features. For those interested, the link is below in the video description so you can see the current price. This is great for any beginner content creator, not only for beginners though. Vloggers, short content creators, anybody on the go. You really don't need much. You don't need the pro big setups. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative and don't forget to subscribe for more. Meanwhile, I'll see you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoj.